Hi guys, I'm Isabella from Norse Interiors, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble one of our edge-mounted pulls onto one of our Besta doors. It's super easy, it takes a couple minutes, and today I'm going to use a Milwaukee drill. It's great for beginners. It's from Home Depot. I'm just going to make little markings where the screws are going to be, so then they have something to kind of grab onto once it's time to put them in. Best part about this drill is that it has little magnet ends, so the screws can kind of just work with me, and I don't have to worry about dropping them. I chose a center side placement, but you really could place it anywhere. And it's really that simple. It takes and then you're done. And it's super sturdy, no wiggling. But yeah, you can place it anywhere. It leaves no markings on the outside of the door in case you ever want to switch up hardware at a later time.